A real hero doesn't care about the explosion in front of them. The 22 heroes on our list don't care. 9. Dangerous myths about moles and suntan that even some doctors seem to believe in. 20 touching photos of animals waiting for babies to come into this world. 21. DIY heroes who are exploding the phallometer. Check yourself. Signs of a cheap wardrobe that can spoil any look. 35 plus creative ways to conquer boredom at work. You'll need them for the next week. 25 photos of super cute animals that make us want to take one home. Parenting tips for raising happy children from 6th grade teachers who open their own schools. Absurd and weird coincidences that raise more questions than answers. How much millennial must-haves cost in different countries. 19 people who must have come from another planet